Hello friends, if you are getting this error, how can we solve it? Let's see. These are some basic troubleshooting steps. That is, reinstall the application. Corrupted application files are a common causes, so reinstalling the program might resolve the issue. Check compatibility. Ensure the application is compatible with your version of Windows 11 and that you have downloaded the correct version 32-bit or 64-bit. Run as administrator. Try running the application with administrator privileges by right-clicking the executable and selecting Run as administrator. Check for missing DLLs. If you suspect a missing DLL, try reinstalling the application or using a DLL fix tool. Clean boot. A clean boot helps identify if background programs are interfering with the application startup. How? Press Windows plus R, then type msconfig and press enter. Go to the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services and click Disable all. Go to the Startup tab and open Task Manager. Then disable all non-Microsoft startup items. Then restart your computer and try running the application. Update.NET framework. Ensure your .NET framework is up to date, as some applications rely on it. DirectX. If the application is a game, make sure you have the latest version of DirectX installed. System File Checkers (SFC). Run the System File Checkers to scan and repair any corrupted system files. Open command prompt as administrator, type sfc/scan now and press enter. Reinstall Windows. If all else fails, a clean install of Windows 11 might be necessary. Thanks for watching the video. Hope this was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe.